Hello, welcome to Phlanka Tools. This guide shows how to upgrade from the legacy bundle to the new version. Let's begin the upgrade process. First, requirements. Blender version 5.0 is required at minimum. When installing Blender 5.0, import your previous preferences. This allows the new add-on to offer asset transfer options. Next, open your browser and go to beta.phlanka.com. This is the new platform going forward. Create a new account. Use the same email as your Phlanka.com account. This allows the system to detect and show any unclaimed legacy licenses. Enter your old license key from the legacy tools. If you do not remember the key, you can email yourself a license reminder. After activation, you will see a download button. Download the zip file. Open Blender. Drag the zip file into the 3D view window to install the add-on. After installation, the Phlanka panel will appear in the 3D view. Enter or paste your license key. The add-on is now activated. If the panels do not appear, the legacy add-on is still installed. Open Blender Preferences. If you want to keep assets from the legacy add-on, use the import options in the new add-on preferences. You can choose which materials, decals, or collections to import. You can cancel the import and uninstall the old add-on, or import first, then uninstall. After uninstalling, restart Blender. The installation is now complete.